it comes to having snacks with fish, it's usually a fish fry or a fish finger. Today we're going to do a very interesting and very special crispy fish balls. These are very tasty, so let's get started and check out the recipe. In a saucepan, add 1 cup of water. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix well. Now add the fish pieces. Cook the fish for about 10 minutes. Remove the fish pieces from the water and let it cool. Shred the fish pieces into smaller pieces and remove the bones. Heat a pan with some oil. Add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon chopped ginger, 1 onion finely chopped, and saute it. Add the fish pieces and saute. After sauteing the fish with the onions, add 1 teaspoon of red chilli flakes, half teaspoon of salt, some pepper, add 1 boiled and mashed potato and mix well. Finally, add some chopped coriander leaves. Keep this aside and let it cool a bit. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Gradually add water and mix well. Take some breadcrumbs to coat the fish balls. Make small balls from the fish mixture. Dip it into the corn flour batter. And roll it onto the breadcrumbs. Roll it well to make sure the fish balls are coated well with the breadcrumbs. Next, add some oil to a kadai. Once the oil is heated, add the fish balls and deep fry them till they are a nice golden brown color. Serve them hot, either with some ketchup or mayo. So there you go. Here are these delicious crispy fish balls that you can enjoy with some nice mayonnaise or sweet chili sauce by the side. It makes for a great party snack and finger foods, so definitely a party pleaser. So do try and enjoy the crispy fish balls. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on